Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another video and please welcome to today's vlog and please welcome to the first ever vlog part 1. So yeah, it's actually going to be really cool. So going upstairs and yeah, you see, that's an electric toothbrush, so don't worry about that, and just get straight onto it. Alright, so there's little kitty's cage and a Lego box and some wrestling figures. So I'm going to find little kitty and I'm going to show them to you, and then she'll be on YouTube. And last week on my ghost caught on camera, she was actually on it. Alright. There's that little kitty. Say hi, little kitty. She never says hi. She never says hi. Look at her. Aww. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see some more, and look on part 2 next week. Yeah. So you know what to do. See part 2 next week, and you'll be awesome. And you know what to do. Subscribe, like, comment, and smash that bell button. Bye.